Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to another video of VI Tech Academy. This is your host Ratul. Friends, from NVDA 2023, we are facing one issue. Sometimes NVDA crashes with Windows 11. It is happening especially with Windows 11, but some of Windows 10 users also face the same issue. In this video, we will see how you can fix the issue permanently. To fix the issue, go to NVDA menu, then go to Settings, then go to Advanced,
Audio 4, Advanced 15 of 21.
By pressing down arrow, or you can press A, then press Tab.
Advanced Property Page Warning. The following settings are for advanced users. Changing them may cause NVDA to function incorrectly. Please only change these if you know what you are doing or have been specifically instructed by NVDA developers. I understand that changing these settings may cause NVDA to function incorrectly. Checkbox not checked.
Okay, so you need to check this box checked.
Checked.
Then press Tab until you hear audio grouping.
Press NV Micro use UI Windows use UIA with annotations. Report ARIA display grouping. Terminal programs group. Use enhanced type diff algorithm. Speak new text and win speech grouping. Attempt at virtual buffers group. Editable text group. Document format audio grouping. Use Wasapi for audio output. Debug logging group. Play a sound for OK button. Enable audio grouping. Use Wasapi for audio output. Requires restart. Combo box default.
So
Enabled.
it is set
Collapsed.
by default. Now you need to press down arrow and set it to
Disabled.
disabled. Now then press Tab again
Debug logging
and
grouping.
click
Play
on
a sound
OK
for
button.
OK button.
Now you need to restart your NVDA. You can press Alt Ctrl plus N and the NVDA will be restarted.
Taskbar. Taskbar.
Okay, now the problem has been fixed. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon with another video. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.